Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel, I want you to actually click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So let's see what we will be expecting on gold for the next day. But before that, make sure you follow us on Telegram if you are not following us on Telegram, because we'll be putting out some potential movements we will be expecting on trade. So you definitely want to be on the Telegram, which is free. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, follow us on Telegram. We'll be putting out one or two information for you there. Now, when you take a look at this gold, let's see it this way. At first, you can see that gold literally dropped, right? And now gold eventually start giving us this bullish move. Now, if you take a look at something, gold looks like it wants to start dropping. But I want you guys to pay attention to something here. See it on the daily time frame. This you can see it as the lower lows, lower highs. This you can be seen as the lower lows. This is a lower highs. Personally, I see gold dropping again, thereby trying to form a new lower lows. So it looks like gold wants to start dropping, but you don't go ahead and drop, because right now we are at a position whereby gold also has the potential of pushing up, because of course DXY still has some drop to be made. DXY looks like it wants to fall. So if DXY falls, what will happen? Gold will definitely give us a bullish move. But on the technical aspect of gold, gold looks like it wants to drop. That is why we are still at in between. That is so in order to be able to predict this move correctly, we have to go to the forward time frame. So this is the forward time frame. This is the lows here. This is the lower highs on the forward time frame, right? This is the new lows, and guess what market is doing? This is the no lower highs. Now, personally, I'll be expecting this gold to push up a bit to come tap this 10-period simple moving average before it starts dropping. That is what I am expecting. But there is the catch here. If gold eventually still push up and it take out this ice here, this lower ice, because it has the possibility, there is a potential for gold to come to take out this lower ice here. It has the possibility or the potential to do that. If it can do that, all you just have to see is a pullback, and we will continue the move to the upside. So basically, I'll be looking to cover more on this on the Telegram channel. So once you follow us on Telegram, so if I can get probably one or two opportunities, I'm going to share it on the Telegram channel. So you will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.